Kejia Furnace is a technology enterprise specializing in the research and development, production, and sales of heat treatment equipment, committed to providing intelligent heat treatment solutions and mature supporting products for global customers. The product covers muffle furnace, tube furnace, rotary tube furnace, atmosphere furnace, vacuum furnace, customized vertical vacuum furnace, industrial trolley furnace, CVD tube furnace, PECVD tube furnace, and other customized furnace types. Widely used in powder metallurgy, vacuum brazing, ceramic sintering, battery material drying, metal bright treatment, component annealing, scientific research, and other fields.